In the last section, we spoke about how we might use volumes as a way of persisting data outside of a container when that data is something that we care about and we want to have be persisted across restarts or termination of a given container, specifically or most especially ones that are running a database of some sort. Now in this section, we're going to start talking about volumes in the world of Kubernetes. The first thing I want to clarify is a little piece of terminology. It's actually the word volume itself. I want to tell you a little bit about what the word volume means in the world of Kubernetes. All right, so first things first, there's a little discussion about terminology. In the last section, I was using the word volume over and over and over again. When I was using the word volume in the last section, it was kind of as a generic term in container terminology world. And it was a reference to some type of data storage mechanism that allows a container to store data outside of its own little file system. However, in the world of Kubernetes, the term volume is a reference to a very particular type of object. An object in the same sense that a deployment is an object or a service is an object. So in the world of Kubernetes, we can write a configuration file that will create something called a volume. In Kubernetes, that object is something that allows a container to store some persistent data at the pod level. In addition to the use of volumes, we also have access to two other types of data storage mechanisms, both something called a persistent volume claim and a persistent volume. So in this section, I want to expand upon what a volume is.